Hi! We're here. Back. And again. Why can't we hear that music? That's interesting. Hi, memes! So we shall find shit now. Um we need to get some stuff going to then hopefully. Oh, there you go. Yeah. I got a cable so we can actually hook up the camera to the computer, but we probably won't do that today. Maybe next, like maybe Thursday or something like that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So, um, there are reasons for everything, right? Reason right now. Okay, cool. So, yeah. Fucking hell. Time to mute it. Yeah. We shall just do things. This. Then we fuck off with all this. Just delete that ISL again. Sell. Sell. Okay. So, what we want to do? No, wait. I think it's lo-fi time. I think it's lo-fi time. Lo-fi time. Uh, First we need to kickstart the training. So we're just gonna copy like a basic Jupyter notebook over here into the university cluster, so I don't have to run that on my own machine. Fuck. Probably it's on Cell apparently. I've never used Jupyter notebooks, actually. Never worked with it. No clue how that works, but well, we are here for the journey, right? This passes the vibe test. Okay, cool. So we got this. We also have our poop detection data. Delete. Now we just upload that really quick there. Sing. Oh. Okay, so it doesn't do folders like that. train. Train, what is it? Train validate. Test train valid. Test train valid. Okay. So in the test sets. And we need images and labels, new folder. Folder. Doesn't work from WinRAR of that. Okay. That's the folder. Okay. So we are test images. Yeah, now we're. Then we go test labels. Upload all of those. I go train, new folder, images, folder, labels, train, images. What are you doing, by the way? So right now, I have trained a few models on this dataset, and it works. But what I haven't done, what this framework where I have been training on, where I have trained stuff on, what it doesn't allow me is to just export the model because they want you to pay for that. So we're just gonna train the model on our yeah, on our actual data, on the dataset that we made. And currently I'm overwhelming this cell already. Builds. So we just need to upload all the data that we have really quick. And then we can start the training. And while we run the training, we will build the pipeline to ingest the video feed, ingest the GPS data, and run the actual recognition and the the localization. So that's. You're streaming in 2K? Yeah, I do. I do now. It's a while, actually. We could also label more, but to be honest, right now, I want to look at poop. Not today. Okay. So we need to point to this. So data slash data data slash data output directory. Let's make an output directory really quick. Folder. Let's call it output. Okay. So model type. Let's use M actually. That will take longer to train, but will give us better results. We're not gonna use large because I don't think I have the cool cluster here, so we'll see. But no. Can I not run all of them? Interesting. Kernel and run all cells. That's the thing. If their own instance with GPUs or what? Yes. Exactly. This is, I think, 4 or 2 3080s, but we also have some 4090s, which only for the big people. No clue how this works. 100% someone got one extra for themselves when ordering them. I don't think so. I don't think so. Would be funny though. Would be funny. Okay, there you go. Stuff died because it looks like download is not a valid YOLO argument. Okay, so that makes sense because we now need to debug task, post segment classified detect. So let's just put all this into ChatGPT again and hope that he knows what to do with that. Ah, boy. So just this. Oops. Those, we don't have that. Okay, so we don't need to download, we just delete that cell. Download found error. Email for shortening my internship today. Let's see how long it takes. Oh, I wish you the best of luck. I wish you the best of luck. That would be huge for you. Then we could become colleagues. Remember. I don't actually know. I don't know where the fuck I have to send it. To your boss? I guess? I don't know. And then to the school? HK has to get it. Might be. I forgot how I did that back in the day. Oh, wait a second, you told me instead we use just this, so that is... Yeah, I would have thought that would work, but no, apparently it does not. Not found. This no. No, we want to use 8. So we want to use 11. Dark Wand? Oh, for this? That's actually a good point. Is there a Dark Wand? Oh, there is. Oh, that's... I want to... Close hallucinating again. It's... Sorry, I wanna go. That's YOLO 11, there you go. It needs specific detection is right. Yeah. So by the way, we achieved like 80 to 90, which is why I'm a little bit confused, concerned that we are just doing wrong stuff. This ain't it. Which version of the kernel are we using? A Python 3. Which Python 3, you fucker? I think Python version. Okay, 3.12. So it's a new Python. So it's a new Python. It's fine. How do I train a model? This. Wait a second. Wait a second. Ah. It just allows you to download that. So there's literally no fucking problem whatsoever. Sometimes I hate ChatGPT. Let's just not use it today. Yes. We wanna upload that. DIY it. I mean, we're doing that now. Where do you think that is, though? Let's just look at the YOLO documentation. Go to the train document. Load. The pre-trained model. It's not in path. No, that's not how Python works. So I assume that this is a path. Okay, let's start with YOLO 11n because that is like the thing that everyone uses here apparently. 11. Oh wait. No, not PT. That's right. N works. Why does M not work? But there's some like weird fucking error with... I have no fucking clue what... Somehow it just worked. Invalid CUDA device 0. Why? Do we have CUDA available? CUDA available false. Why is the first letter in the bool capitalized? That's Python. That's Python for you. That's just the standard. I hate it. It's okay. You get used to it. Problem is switching between languages. I am big time confused here. Determines one kernel session. No properties. We can start that on the CPU, but it's probably a really bad idea. Let's see. It is just baffling me that I'm not allowed to have the to use the CPU. I need to make a new workspace. Create a new workspace. YOLO _ train. Will flashbang. What? I don't understand how that is any simpler, but sure. Oh, right, I fucked up. Obviously, also need to put that into quotation marks. Oh, I hate you. It's annoying to type in here. Okay. I mean, we started a training, which won't go well, if I'm being honest. I would just ask my friends on what the fuck, and then we continue with this. So, ingester, CV as CV, class, just 4? So, what is a data structure which makes sense for us there? Probably Q. No model path. I don't know why you're talking about model path here, AI. We want... Let me enable Copilot for that. Plugins, tools, Copilot, completions, automatically show completion. No. There we go. Oh, that's way better. In it, right, so in here we need the device given us as a string. So then we have a image stream. A CV dot. Oh wait, not installed, so that obviously can't fail to install because it is OpenCV-Python. Yes, I have the requirements.txt here. Yeah, I have. I just need to install this, please. How do I do that again? I'm confused. Then This version, there you go. Well, cv.image. Ah, right. How do we do that again? Let's look at documentation. So it's just all. No, actually, you know what? The right idea is using callbacks. Which is a list, I guess. Yeah, so self.device. Nice. Then we define a register callback, self, and a function. Where we then do callbacks.append the function. Def dreg is callback. Oh, by the way, self. Do we do a function and a key? Okay, wait a second. I'm getting teached how to do this stuff right now. This really quick. We want a terminal. Conduct, create, dash name. Let's go train. Asset work is dead, so I can't access any dev service. Lol, it happens. Yes. Cool. and activate your train under open cv -python. Cool. Are you satisfied? Love that. Ultralytics. Good. Install some NVIDIA shit, so should be fine, question mark? We'll see. Cool. So deregister callback. Can I... That is now a question. Can I do... I think that should work, right? So just delete. Yippee! Oh, thanks for the follow. Welcome in, welcome in. Yippee. Let's see, I can't see the name though. To open this thing. Too many tabs open. I still don't know who that was. Look at my phone. Oh, I get it. Bob. Abdiel, thank you for the follow. Thank you so much. Welcome in, welcome in. There you go. Delete. Wait a second. Oh, no. Wait. So, do we need to loop now? Nah, it's a, we do key value pairs. We do key value pairs. It's fine. Make a dictionary out of that. And then we just have self.callbacks dot pops. Can do there. Oh right, I can just do callbacks at the key, which we obviously need to give here. Delete it. If not, key in self.callbacks.keys. Return. Just return. Oh. I need to put a colon there. Right. Not in. Okay, sure. Not in. Otherwise delete, and then we're happy. Should we do logging? Should we do actual logging here? I'm unsure. Wait a second. Does a function have a name? That is the weirdest thing I've ever said, I guess. Let's see. Python function Function name is a string. Yes, that works. Cool. So we can't just, we don't need a key actually. We will only pass the function. But a function has a name. Cool. Also, what do you mean no? What do you mean, oh no? Okay, so that has now the callbacks. Now we need to have which is just a while. All needs to be async though. Need to make asynchronous code. So self.stop equal true. Image equals cv.imread. Is it imread? Is it actually image read or is it? I guess? Oh no, wait, it's capture, right? Let's create a capture first. Open CV get frame of video capture. There we go. That's what we need. Now, certainly we're talking about C++ here. It's not really where we want to be. Okay, so we're using a way newer version. Alright, we're creating new video capture and then we just use gets to. So, self capture equals cv dot video capture, and then we need the. What do we need here? Oh. You don't need anything there. Default constructor with a file name. Capturing device. Oh, capturing device. Okay, yeah. So then we need to pass the device here. Okay, cool. And then we're unhappy with this. Oh. Are you shitting me? That's the issue. Okay, cool. Capture dot. read. Grabs decodes and returns the new video frame. Yeah, just returns this. Okay, that's not what we want. Oh, right. Just the index. So with the file name, that's annoying. Yeah, file name is annoying. Let's just do an int. Read. And then for callback in callbacks dot items. Oh, sorry, self dot. Callbacks items. Function, by the way. Callback with the image. Any object is not callable, so that is a function. Oh, we're not allowed to do that? Oh, what type is a function? Jesus Christ. As args Python. Let's see. Passing function as an argument in Python. There we go. Function. Func. Yes, that is exactly what I want. So I can just do that apparently, but why am I not allowed to? Range. Maybe because I called it function and that is now trying to do something weird. What the fuck? No. Shift F6 function to func. Apparently does not work. Callback image. Any object is not callable. Oh, because it's items and not values. That's the problem. Okay, all good. There we go. Yeah, cool. And then we need to do a async def stop. It's gonna do self.stop equals true. And async start. Which will get self.start. Yeah, self stopped being equal to false and call async.io async.io dot run ingest. That's what we want. Oh, right. This doesn't need to be. This doesn't need to be. Also doesn't need to be. This also doesn't need to be async. Nothing needs to be async except. This also doesn't need to be async because it doesn't do a wait. Ah, no, actually it does need to be async. Otherwise we can't start it using async.io. Okay. That should be it for our image ingester? Question mark? Really? Then back to the localization thingy. Other package. Cool. So, do we need a class? We don't. Maybe. Please. Package failed. Cool. Let me just click here. Ultra. Version. It just failed. Why though? Where's error? Reload that. Wait, or is it just actually doing it and I just missed it? Might that? Oh, that might be the point. Okay, cool. Don't really know if this needs to be a class. The localizer is just we start this thing and then it starts ingesting from the ingester, and then it starts. We do need the GPS data module needs to get a little bit. Oh, that also does a thread. Okay, nice, cool. Let's just do this. If name if name main, then we start by creating a EV ingester. From ingester. Image ingester, okay. Image ingester with a certain device ID. Let's just use one for now. Then we also want from Oh, I don't use the backslash, that's the point. Right. Dot. Now, how do I include something from neighboring directory again? Python include from or files from a different folder. Okay, so we can just do insert one and then the path to there. Okay, cool. Path insert one, which is then just dot slash mavlink slash. We just need the folder, right? Yeah. And then we do import from GPS data module, GPS data module import GPS data provider. I just write import this data provider. It doesn't work, right? Yeah, Pro doesn't know how to do that. I think this should work, question mark, but append. Nothing wrong with application.add file. So how? Dialect stuff. From. Help. That doesn't help. Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna run this for now. If it throws an error. Camera index out of range. Okay, so yeah. It doesn't throw the error that is like here, so we're just gonna do more actions. Ignore this one. GPS data provider equals GPS data provider with what do you need again? I'm just gonna just put that here. Makes it way nicer to code with, because now I actually know, oh hey, I need to pull in the frequency. frequency be equal to 20. I think 20 hertz is nice for this. Okay. Then we want to add callbacks to both of them, where we're just gonna have a what do we need? So let me think about this. So we need a callback for we need a GPS callback. We need a image callback. How the fuck do you have low memory? Kidding me? Sure. Use up 20 gigs. No. That is crazy. That is crazy. Anyway, okay, cool. So this is fine. It's all cool. So let's just do a dev GPS underscore callback, which needs, okay, so the GPS data provider has just callbacks. Dev callbacks and wait, how does this do that? Oh, I'll just use remove. Audible picture. None. Ah ja. Cool. So new data, which is a dictionary. Okay, cool. Data being a dict. Let's just start by making something really easy. Print data. Cool. And dev image callback is a image being a cv dot I mean, what is it actually? It's a it's an NumPy array. NumPy dot okay, we're just not gonna do that, and then we're just gonna do cv dot im show with the window name being list. Love that. There is one little utility script that I wanna steal for myself really quick. That is, we don't know the indices of our cameras, so we can literally just pull that from something that I've done way past, which is the ir-race. Oh, where's that? There you go. Cutkin WS stores camera test scripts. Dun, 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 dun. To delete it. No. Camera info. PM this start patch. Okay, no GUI 5.0 to 0. Why the fuck did I do that? It's not USB cap. Cool. It's not for user, but capture. That might be something like that. I had something to just go through all the cameras and find out which ones worked. This port. Yes. That's the thing. That's the thing. This is what we need. This is what we need. So we just do heat and little new file called utils. Import OS. Import CV2 as CV. Cool. Port range, I don't know, maybe 5, I guess. Nope. 5. Ah. Okay, that makes sense. I will just start the virtual camera. Working ports are 0. I don't think so. Oh no. Port 4 not open. Let's see if I now have port 4 open. Virtual cam. No clue what camera that is that reads 950 by whatever. Working ports are 0. Let's do port range 10? Question mark. Let's see where the virtual camera actually is. Because we need to test a few things and it makes only sense to do like that. 5 is open and reads 480p. Wait, generally open? Can't be used. Okay, we're just gonna try port 5, I guess. Oh, right. I forgot to start this thing. So, ingest dot start and I think GPS data provider dot start makes more sense actually. I need to start this guy. I mean, stuff happens right now. Apparently just not what I wanted. So. There are a few things that could be at fault here. One, let's look at if this thing is actually already connected. I'm gonna not show you that. I want to show you my thing here. Thanks for the likes, the coins, and the things. TikTok. Hi. Wait, how many people? 60 viewers? Should code out more often, huh? Crazy. Thank you so much. I mean, if you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them. And we can discuss the code. I mean, maybe I need to zoom in more so you can actually see stuff, but hey. Let's look at my network. And okay, yeah, ELRS XBP is there, so it is connected. Let's add a few more logging statements though, because I actually don't know if my stuff works. Then print back, fallback. We should actually do a little bit of debugging here. Print in that is actually already gonna tell us a whole lot. Right. This is a blocking call, so we will never get here. So what if we switch those around? Ingest started. Now this is a blocking call. Oh. Oh. So wait a second, I can just test for... Can I just print this? Question mark? That should give us either true or false. And just start it and it doesn't give us a true. Or a false. So maybe it was the other way around. Let's check that again. Don't get a false there either. Oh god, okay. There was like some weird thing that I did in order to make that work, to like get two processes running in the same window. I think I did that for CV2. Main.py, let's scroll down. Nope, that was only one. That was only one thing. Let's look for the... I think the Discord bot did something like that. This one... No. Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. So... What's that? Nope. This one didn't need to do that either. Probably was something with... I know Sally had like something along those lines. Yeah. Ah. So we create a thread with the run of the consumer. Consumer.run is... And that starts async IO. Okay. And then we just do bot run. That is like really scuffed, but sure. Oh, okay. There was a new window. I shouldn't have said something about how many people were watching, huh? Oh, it's so funny. I don't understand TikTok at all. I don't understand it at all. Boop, boop, boop. Nope. So. That one will be ingest.start. The GPS provider did not start. Why is that? Consumer run does a async IO run. Bot run does a what? Are you shitting me? Bot run just doesn't exist? Wait, how the fuck? What? The actual? Fuck. Oh, right. Bot.run is from Twitch.io. That's why I can't click on that, because that is like not in my scope. Right. Right. Okay. So we run that. Okay, that is like its own async kind of deal. So oh, I think I know it. I think I know it. If I click in here, process.start. I was missing this one, and I was actually calling the thing. Yeah, okay, makes sense. So why this didn't work? Because if I put the brackets here, then the target is whatever gets returned by this. So this will be executed. But if I don't, then the function itself will be the target, and then stuff works. There we go. And just started. Right, the GPS data provider can't work though. Also, the callbacks are not registered. Ingest dot register callback image callback, and then for the GPS data provider dot callback at callback GPS callback. Registering callback ingest started. In self run loop complete callback image show test. What is not a numerical tuple? Right, so that can happen when the image is none or null. Image is none. Oh shit. Then we obviously just wanna continue. None. Let me just stop the GPS data provider. Let's debug this. Right, we're getting the callback, that's fine. So now I'm interested in, is the image is something. I'm getting the callback. So now I'm confused, because the image Ah! Ah, it's a red val. Red val. Red val. Red image. If red is false. There we go. That's the problem, right? It returns a tuple. Forgot about that part. Cool. Return is hopefully true. Oh, wait a second. We need to actually execute the call. Return is true and it's an image. Love that. And now stuff works. We should see an image. Just funnily enough, not really anything we can use. And hey, we at least get an image. That's fine. There you go. Image. Interesting. Okay, cool. Now the problem is the GPS callback. Why? What's the problem with the GPS? Didn't call connect, did I? Oh well, I do. But do start, then we do connect. And we can also just start this thing on its own. If that does something. Doesn't. Okay. Because we don't have data. We just don't have data. Wait a second. Put the drone on. There you go. We don't get data? But we're connected now. Okay. Okay. Wait a bit. Not this. Yes. Okay, so we do get GPS now. Just not actually good. But it worked? But it worked. Oh, the green. I don't see a problem. Maybe the shadow. That is worse. That's fine. Cool. Nice. Look at that. So then we have your vase, which is the current underscore GPS. And current frame. But current frame we don't actually need because Oh, should we do that? Oh, actually, we shouldn't. Current frame. On there for now. So, will this be printed? Test. Print. Test. Yes, cool. So we don't have any blocking calls here. That is perfect. Because now we want the dev image pipeline. Which will be a while. If current frame equals continue. If current GPS equals current frame GPS. Yes, the frame GPS. Current GPS equals. Let's also just do that none. Line. Oh yeah, we can just do or. If any of those is none, we just wanna. Yeah, shut up. Cool. So if any of those is none, where's the quality? Then we want to continue. Otherwise, we know that we have some data, and then we want to do the thing. So we will have a dev run get calling boxes. We'll then do what do we need? Right, so this would be YOLO classify. So let's find out how we do that. Ultralytics YOLO 11. Terrain detection. Trained validation predict. There we go. So we need load the custom model we'll have. Then we do just results model. Of that image. Which, by the way, is a ND array. So, and then we want the box is maybe we wanna do this in different steps. Predict will be just return model with an image. And then we want to get the bounding boxes of a result. Will be then return dots. Oh, that's plural results. Right. This for results in results boxes equals an empty array. And then to result dot append that x, y, h. Okay, cool. Then we want a def get middle point for a box, all boxes. Middle points, any more boxes. Array. And unhappy. Oh wait, this is a whatever. Okay, so now we wanna for box in boxes. We need to calculate the middle point, which is MEX equals a tuple. Oh no, wait, that is the center. Center X, center Y. Oh, it's way easier then. Cool. This is so crazy what this thing can. It just can do YouTube. Also could just do an wait, could just do a webcam itself? I don't need the ingester. This whole thing we don't need. So, wait a second. When you do a webcam, okay. No, they do use CV for streaming sources. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Then we use that. Then we use that. Also, we need to do this. Forgot about that. In our ingester. They might kill our test now because I don't think we can open the thing right now. That's fine for now. Cool. And just a callback, and then cool. So if we don't have a frame, continue. Then basically this. Just that frame is current frame. This is CV. Okay, and then we want to get all the funny... Oh, right. No, we don't need. Now in the detection thing. Pixel 2 coordinates. This one we want. New Python file. ex2. Okay, so basically what we now want, now I'm gonna wipe this one really quick. Edit. Oh. Data module. Oh, it's an localizator. Let's the not the GPS coordinates for the predicted the boxes of returned by the YOLO action. Okay, enough. Where do you add a log? I mean, okay, wait a second. I kind of like this. What does the log do? Prevents race conditions. Reds exist global variables. The log threads right. Data corruption. Data. That actually seems like a really good idea. Good call, I guess. Import tensor board. Where? So we don't need that. Don't need NumPy. Right. Path to best PT. Yes, that's a good point. We don't actually have. So let's just do YOLO 11 small. No, not that, right? Oh. Things happened there. There was an error though. Because can't create new thread at interpreter shutdown. Interesting. Well, anyway. Now we need to... I'll just... What is on version? Okay, that's fine. Feature... Prototype for image to core conversion. Okay, so folders and yeah, easy enough. Let's see. Changed. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Wait a freaking second. What? Do I... There's a way to do this. The predict. Okay. So we obviously want this to only like a conf. inference on that with that is what we definitely want. Model dot predict a certain confidence. We don't want like weird things happening, right? Okay. On the scan. So something dies here. Model predict Victor source stream generator context and turns. Public self. Not create a new thread and interpret it down. I'm a bit confused what that means. Oh, I need some food though. Let me just grab something. Where is he? Oh. Look. Okay, wait a second. Two things. This one we don't need. This one we don't need. Why doesn't it use the virtual camera? I mean, but it's fine. It's fine. It works, technically. Right? It works. Which means this should be fine. This should be fine. Bit of model predict, but I want the confidence. Can't I get the confidence? Propose folds. Did you just remove? You just remove the. No, should be fine. Should be fine. Surely. Okay. There are a few things that we need to do now in order for this to work. I don't want to do them right now. Wait. I'm a fucking idiot. This camera is not connected to this PC. Oh, that's. That one? Oh, that is not a USB 3.0 port apparently. So that one. Aren't I happy that I have a long HDMI cable? Should work, right? Why is it in other software? I have my doubts. I have my doubts. What other software? What other software? Oh, wait a second. Is that what I think it is? No, wait, no, not. OBS question mark? Load. Video. It is here. Isn't there like a way to see what's the privacy settings? Right. There is nothing that is currently accessing it. Are we just gonna unplug and replug it? I guess we just... Could also be that it's unhappy that I don't have an output. I don't think that should be an issue. Also be that this one doesn't have an output. I don't think. Hey, let's... Yeah. Not the camera. This one is a USB 3.0 port though. Pretty sure. It might not be a 3.0 cable. Might explain the problems. Do I have a 3.0 cable? Wait a second, I do probably have one. Switch around some cables really quick, 1 sec. plug this in. Now I plug this into here. This cable should be. Yeah, there we go. Let's go. Okay, cool. Look at that. No. Could be one. That is open and read. 0 is open. Maybe we want a 0. X is also open. Well, let's see. What is 0? Yep, it's the right one. Cool. Well then. Turn that off again. Okay, let's get the drone. Put the off. It's because we avoid. From okay, and then Okay. So this one should now give us hey, wait a second, we could just look at that. Actually, what's going on? Open up the capture utility again. We do have a source. Okay, that's cool. Now, transmitter is disconnected. Okay, we probably need to put this into some kind of pairing mode. Or did you just die? I might need to read up on the documentation of this guy. Light cap. It's link button. Ah, link button 5. That thing. Okay, so link. Connect the Moonlight kit and power off the goal. Okay. Short press the Moonlight kit. Targets link effectively. Right. Sorry, but I don't use that thing. I use other one. X. And have the VRX and what is the link button here? That thing! Oh shit. I think that's... Oh. Jesus Christ. Okay, I guess you just die. So fun. Hmm? Could you please work? Look out. Please work. I believe in you. And the VTX turns solid green. What is this? Let's just stop this guy, I think. No signal. You're just a little annoying here. There we go. Okay, transmitter is disconnected for some reason, no? Oh, there we go! Hey! VTX overheating. Not from the obvious. Why the fuck doesn't it shut down when it's over 100 degrees? What? Yeah, I think we need to put a ban on that. Jesus Christ. I mean, I could put a thing on there. It's obviously made for racing. Oh. Okay, but I guess I actually did what I wanted to do today. Even more. On Thursday we're gonna explore is that so? Yeah, I'm gonna disassemble something like an old thing from me. And then we're gonna see if we can get the what is it called? If we can get the cooling situation cleared. I do think we can, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, thanks for hanging out. I will now eat and do things. Maybe hang out in voice chat a bit later, but bye bye.